Now we're going to look at other rational functions. All rational functions of the form y equals ax plus b divided by cx plus d also have graphs, and they are also hyperbola. So the vertical asymptotes of the graph is the line x equals minus d divided by c, because the function itself is undivided when the denominator cx plus d is a 0. And then the horizontal asymptotes is the line y equals a divided by c. So now we're going to solve a multi-step problem. So this is 3D modeling. Everybody nowadays uses 3D printers because it's much cheaper. So how can we solve this multi-step problem? Can anybody in the class solve this?
Me.
Who's me? Who the heck is me?
Me.
Who is me?
I don't know.
If you don't say your name right now, I'm going to suspend you.
Oh no, I'm David.
Alright, David, how can you solve this multi-step problem?
I think we have to graph the function first.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. We have to make an equation. Yeah.
So how do you solve it? It's simple. It's right up here. Mr.
Yeah, so,
don't tell me that you have lied just now about how to solve this problem.
I think the equation is like $24,000.
Like equation is like, Mr. Gunn. There's no like in math. You're talking about math.
The equation is 24,000.
No, I cannot trust you, Mr. Gunn. Just sit down in your class. Sit down. I want to listen to your excuses.
No, you cannot say like that, you stupid teacher. No.
Oh my god. Where's I feel deeply disrespected. I call Mr. Wilkins. Now go out. Go out of my room. Now.
No, you don't even know this question.
Let's just disregard him and continue the class. Mr. Ivan and Mr. Skylar. So with this question, we're going to write the function. Let C be the average cost and M be the number of models printed right now. So the number printed itself is M, which we do not know. But the unit cost and the number printed is 300M. And the cost of the printer itself is 24,000. So now what we do is to just simply graph the function. And then if we use a Casio, a precious Casio, the asymptotes of the lines M equals 0 and C equals 300. So the average cost is about 700 per model after 60 models are printed. So now we will just interpret the graph. And as these models are printed, the average cost is becomes 300. That's why all Chinese manufactured things are cheap. They print us so many. Which in conclusion, the average cost itself goes down cheap. Alright, class?
No, Mr. Bump?
Mm-hmm.
You said I have to solve those questions with my calculator, but what if I don't have it?
Who is this? Mr. Gunn?
Yeah.
You don't even have a calculator?
No, I actually bought it, but I threw it away.
My cancer. Mr. Gunn, get out of my class. I don't need you. I don't need students like you anymore.
Okay.
Get out of my class, now!
Let's continue.
My lung cancer. My lung cancer. Alright. Alright, class. No pain, no gain. Now I'm going to make you solve this question. If you cannot solve it, I'm going to kick you out of my class and then report you to Mr. Wilkins. So you need to be very careful. Let's state the domain and range of this one. Can anyone solve this question?
So first you have to figure out the asymptote of both x and y.
Mm-hmm.
So in vertical asymptote, you have to use this formula negative d over c. And then in y asymptote, you have to use a over c.
Mm-hmm.
So if you use this on this example, then the y asymptote becomes 1 and x asymptote becomes negative 3. So the domain will be x equals all real number except negative 3, and the range will be y equals all real number except 1.
Very good, Mr. Skylar. I might give you an A in this question later. You are doing a very great job. Keep up the good work. Alright, Mr. Skylar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to move on to the next question. But before going up, the best way to make your dreams come true is to wake up. I see someone sleeping in this class. Mr. Ivan! Ivan!
Okay. Mr. Dennis.
Mr. Ivan, do you need Red Bull? Do you need a Red Bull?
I need rest.
You need rest. Oh, you need rest, huh? This is your rest, okay? Wake up and focus before I give you an F.
Okay.
Cancer. Now, let's advance further into real life. This is an equation about a rock climbing gym. To join this rock climbing gym, you must pay an initial fee of 100 and then a monthly fee of 59. Write and graph an equation that gives the average cost per month as the function of the number of months of membership. How many months will be the average cost be 69? Anybody can solve this question?
It's hard.
You need to challenge yourself to solve this question. Huh?